Dalton would go in, and this is the GroundHog CMMS app. When you launch, you'll be able to see all the work orders that are currently associated uh, with Curtis, and I can look for all the work orders that are open for this particular machine. And if this is a particular work order that I need to currently start on, I can say perform this inspection. It'll ask me for the last known engine hours. I can enter those last known engine hours. And there is a very easy to use app-based, form-based thing where, if he's completed all of these items, where, after he's lubricated all the grease points, he marks it as, he's done that. And, we keep track of which technician actually performed this activity. If something is degraded, we mark it as degraded, and you can add a backlog item. And if I need to add additional notes, I just click on that and add additional notes. Say needs work. And if I want to add a picture to that, I can just go say, take a picture. Let's say this is the picture you want to add, right? You just add it, you use it, and you save it. Okay, so now there's pictures associated with this. After I'm done with my particular shift, the next guy can come over and continue work.